This is a jacket. A jacket.
These are sneakers. Sneakers. This is a hat. A hat. This are jeans. Jeans. This is a dress. A dress. Fantastic! You've learned the names of a lot of clothes today. Get ready for part 2 to learn even more. These are socks. Socks. This is a t-shirt. A t-shirt. This is a skirt. A skirt. These are shorts. Shorts. Now you know the names of your clothes in English. See you next time for more fun English words. This is a pencil. A pencil. This is a notebook. A notebook. This is a pen. A pen. This is a backpack. A backpack. This is a book. A book. This is a board. A board. Great job! You learned some school objects today. See you in part 2 for more school objects. This is a crayon. A crayon. This is a sharpener. A sharpener. This is a scissor. A scissor. This is a school desk. A school desk. This is a chair. A chair. This is a ruler. A ruler. Great job! Now you know school objects. See you next time. This is a pet store. A pet store. This is a bakery. A bakery. This is a shoe store. A shoe store. This is a grocery store. A grocery store. This is a cafe. A cafe. Fantastic! You've learned the names of a lot of stores today. Get ready for part 2 to learn even more. This is a supermarket. A supermarket. This is a butcher shop. A butcher shop. This is a florist. A florist. This is a gas station. A gas station. This is a toy store. A toy store. Now you know the names of stores in English. Which store is your favorite?